Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have today a new unboxing. This is from Motorola, and this is a true wireless headphones. It's called what is the name? Actually, there's no name. No, actually, there is a name. It's called Verbuds 110. Verve. Verve Buds 110. Okay, that's a weird name, but it's okay. I'm okay. Okay, so let's open up what they have. This. See what we have inside. Wow, that's a nice presentation. We have these small buds over here, and we have this box. Well done. Just tap and ask Alexa. I don't care about Alexa. I'm here for some calls, some good quality products. This is what I'm looking for. So these doesn't go out. Let's take a look at the case. Okay, interesting. The case is plasticky. It's a little bit wobbly here. Let's do this. It's a little bit wobble here. It's not a high quality case. I know the price is very... Oops, did I break anything? Okay, I didn't. It's by design. So you do this, it's gonna close just like that. But if you want to open it, you have to do this click over here so it doesn't, but still wobbly. But anyways, it's by design. Oh. Sorry, Motorola, sorry. You should have done this. You should have a type C here. Okay, let's see these two buds. And these two buds are looking kind of nice, actually. Let's take them out, just like this. Pretty easy to take out. Oops, sorry. Okay, never mind. I don't know where it goes, but anyways, we have one at least. So here, as you can see, it's lighting up. It has a Bluetooth. It's the right side. So basically, you just insert this thing inside. There is no anything to hold it up there. Just take a look at what we have. We have a cable, micro to USB. So I would actually advise you to use this like for running or anything like that. But there has, as you can see here, they have the replaceable earrings. As you can see, it's really good that you have different sizes for your ears. So yeah, this looks nice. Maybe I need to test this thing. So all I have to do is just click it like this, put it up it like that, close it, bam, it's charging right now. But yeah, the most disadvantage thing is the not having a USB Type-C. That's the only backside or downside about it. Right. Thank you everyone for watching this quick unboxing, and see you in another video.